So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene, and you guys, I'm sorry that you're not seeing my face, but you guys, I had a headache. You guys, I had so much headache that I couldn't just do my makeup and set up all these things because you guys, this airbrushing thing, let me tell you, it's a pain in the, yes, you know what I'm gonna say. You guys, I had so much trouble getting this thing to spray properly. I don't know what the problem was or what I was doing wrong, you guys. I really don't know. Finally, I don't know what happened, but it started to spray. You guys, I just don't know what went wrong, but this airbrush thing just gave me headache, you guys. I was done with this. I thought I won't make a video for you guys, but after a lot of trying, I managed to make the video for you guys. So this is the airbrush body, let's call it like that, where the air comes from. You have three modes that you can put the speed on, and this is the airbrush itself, the body of, or no, the spraying thing. You will get some cleaning tools. You will also get 12 colors, beautiful colors that you can do different designs with the inks. These are some stamps that you can use for spraying any figures or any pattern on the nails. I'm going to open one for you so you can see how they came. You will just put this template on your nail and I'll just spray it with the color that you would like. And yeah, I like the patterns that they came with, and you also get 2 instruction books that will guide you through this hell. And I've also got these bags to keep your airbrush in. So this is how the nails look. I have done a full set on myself with some long stilettos. I didn't film this because I have a lot of videos how I do the application, so I'm just going to show you guys the struggle with the airbrush in this video. I filled it up with some pink ink, and I've also mixed it with a little bit of water to make it a little bit more thinner so it sprays properly. And now I'm going to spray it on all the nails, all over the nails, but I think I sprayed it too close because you could see like some, like some spots that were too wet. I think, you guys, if you have any suggestions with this airbrush, just please let me know. Please, you guys, let me know. And the design that I'm going to do is a design that I saw on Instagram. I will put it on the screen so you guys can see what I'm going to try in this video. And I'm just going to spray the pink ink all over the nails to get a pink base. Okay, you guys, so after spraying the first layer of the pink, I'm going to let it properly dry to start over with the purple at the edges of the nail. So I've let the nails dry, and now I'm just trying the purple to see how it sprays. And I think I'm going to hold my airbrush a little bit more further from the nail, so more away, so it doesn't spray too closely, and so I can get that gradient, that like fading effect. But you guys, as you can see, I'm struggling. I'm just real struggling with this airbrush. I think, as I always say to you guys, practice makes perfect. I need to practice a little bit more with this airbrush. I don't know if this happened because I just mixed the ink with some water. In the guidebook it said that you have to dilute the ink with a little bit of water. So that's what I did, but maybe it was too much. You guys, I don't know. So as you can see, it's spreading again, and you guys, I was pissed because I was already making and trying this airbrush out for like 2 days, and now that I have tried to make this video, it's also like spreading. And oh my god, you guys, this was a real headache, but I made it work. I think maybe I'm going to make a video for you guys after I have tried this a lot of times, that I've practiced a little bit more with the airbrush, because you guys, this is just not the best thing. And when I was spraying, I thought, maybe I just have to do only one side purple, because when I was spraying, I thought I sprayed too much. So maybe I was afraid, or not maybe, I was afraid to like cover the whole pink side too. So I thought, you know what, just let me leave it like this. It also looked really cool. So now I'm going in with just a little bit more to like cover these spots that didn't get on the nail that was spreading. And you guys, sorry that you don't see the airbrush when I'm spraying the purple, but I was trying to hold the airbrush a little bit further from the nails, so I could get that gradient effect. So that's why you don't see it in camera. So yeah, I'm spraying, you guys, maybe you can see it. So I went and I've let that also, the purple layer also dried, and when it was fully dried, I went in with my top coat and I've covered the whole entire nail. And when I was done, I let it cure for like a minute under my UV lamp, and then it's cleaning time. You guys, this is a mess. This just looks like a mess. Okay, so now I'm going in with some alcohol and I'm trying to clean off the excess spraying ink from the airbrush, and just using some alcohol. And when I'm done rubbing my hand with some alcohol, I'm going in and I'm just going to wash my hand with some soap, and then I will show you guys how it looks. And I'm going to just apply a little bit of cuticle oil to like moisten up the cuticle area. So now I'm going in with some cuticle oil and I'm applying it at the cuticle area. Oh, and you guys, when you're going to work with the airbrush, don't forget to cover your working space with a towel or some covered thing for your desk so it will not get messy. And yeah, you guys, this is the final result. I really hope you like it. I didn't use any of the templates because I just have a feeling that I was going to mess the whole design up. So that's why I didn't use any templates. But I'm going to try it, and I will be coming back with a part 2 of this because I'm going to practice a little bit more with the airbrush. so I can get a bump nail design using the airbrush. I will come back for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this video in the comment section below. Let me know if you have any recommendations for the airbrush thing. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've liked this video. I really hope if you enjoyed it, don't forget to share this video with everybody, with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.